Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple stones in the gallbladder and as well as in the common bile duct. That is cholelithiasis associated with choledocholithiasis. Cholelithiasis involves the presence of gallstones, which are concretions that form in the biliary tract, usually in the gallbladder. Choledocholithiasis refers to the presence of one or more gallstones in the common bile duct. Now you can see the liver and the dilated biliary channels. You can see the biliary channels are dilated and multiple stones are seen in the body of the gallbladder. Abdominal ultrasound is the test that the one most commonly used to look for signs of gallstones. Abdominal ultrasound involves moving a device transducer back and forth across the stomach area. You can see the stone shadowing, and these are the stones, and thick sludge is also seen, and gallbladder is slightly thick walled. You can see the gallstones that are impacted in the thick sludge. Now again you can see these multiple gallbladder stones. When gallstones are diagnosed, there may be some uncertainty about whether any stones have passed in the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. Again, you can see the dilated biliary channels. If the gallstones are not seen in the biliary duct and they are not visible, but your tests suggest that bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or a cholangiography. Now you can see the common bile duct. And it is dilated bile duct. Now you can see again the bile duct. Gallstones, also known as symptomatic cholelithiasis, are hard crystal-like deposits that can form in the gallbladder below the liver. And these gallstones can range in size from as small as grains of sand as large as golf balls, although small stones are much more common. Now you can see a stone in the bile duct. Now you can see the stones in the gallbladder itself. Now the women are more likely to develop cholesterol gallstones than men, especially during their reproductive years, when the incidence of gallstone in women is 2 to 3 times higher than in men. The difference appears to be attributable mainly to estrogen, which increases biliary cholesterol secretions. So there may be some association between the estrogen hormone and the formation of the gallbladder stone. Now you can see the gallbladder stones as well as the stone in the common bile duct. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.